Now this class is the primary key table. Primary key table with master data. This is one table. This is one table. Separate table I'll create it. Same like yesterday concept only. This is another table, the foreign key table. Foreign key table creation. Transactional data. With the transaction data. Two example, two with the data element only. Okay, this is also with the data element. Next onwards we will work out all with the data elements only. There is no need to write separately, because we always would work with the data element only. With the data element. Okay, now first let me make it like one database, two database tables, separate. This is one table, like customer table, customer number, first name, city, same like last class whatever I created, same phone number. Like 4 fields we need here. But n numbers you can take it. The 4 fields I am creating for our practical purpose. Customer number is here, primary key. First name is field, city is field. This all are we are calling master data. Okay, master data. Like here, this is primary key. This tick mark is nothing but a primary key. Okay, this is C1, like C2, or any data. Okay, any data. This is unique key. Okay, unique records. Same customer number should be existed in a foreign key table also. This foreign key is nothing but here a second table to join the primary key table and foreign key table. We need a one key. Okay, let me create here sales order number, sales number, sales order date, sales order sales quantity, sales quantity and units and sales price, currency. Okay, I am creating with the currency and customer number, first number. So these are all the fields I required in this second table. Customer number, sir, here. Instead of sales number, I will enter here S number, sales order number. Instead of S quantity, okay, S price. Okay, sales quantity, sales code, currency. These are all the fields in second table. These are all the fields in second table. As I told you, for each table should have one primary key. Okay, this table, this is the primary key. This table, this is the primary key. But this table, it is having this table, this is a foreign key. This table is a foreign key. Okay, this is foreign key. Then only you can join this primary key and this foreign key. We can join. Otherwise, we cannot create the join conditions. Meaning, the second table should have the first table related field, primary key. Then only it may be a first field or it may be a second field or any field. But that field information should be maintained here. Here some sales related information, S1, S2, like the sales price. Same C1 also, same C1 should exist here. Same C1, same numbers. Then only you can map this data, then you can fetch the data. That we are calling the primary key condition. The primary. Here mandatory is first table should have the primary key, second table should have the primary key, even foreign key, both. Primary key should be here. And the same field, same customer number, here primary key and foreign key also. That also one condition. Okay, that also you can create it like that also. In same customer number in this table, primary key, in second table also that is primary key as well as foreign key. To create this type of link or foreign key creation, we will use here foreign key option. Okay, foreign key option. But first step is table creation, same steps, same procedure. Second step also same procedure. But second step we have extra points are there. Sales quantity and unit is there. This is one okay, new field. Sales price and currency. This is one new field. Why means here I have to give one small example for sales quantity and sales unit. Let me simple example. Like last class also data types. Just I have written here. Let me see here. Like example 1. Okay, quantity related. If it is 10 kg, you can read that 10 kg. If kg is not there, how you can read? That is numeric numbers only. Just numerical only. If it have specific kg or lb or pounds, any data, then we can read it. Here 10 will be stored under sales quantity, kg will be stored under units. Here sales quantity is one field, sales quantity is one field, it will store here. Sales units, it will be stored here. But these two are interlinking fields. We have to specify the relation once again inside. Okay, we have to maintain for this S quantity reference keyword you have to maintain. Okay, reference. This is example 1. The same way for example 2 also currency related. Like 1000 rupees. 1000 rupees. I know. Here 1000 is meaning 1000 is nothing but a sales amount. This is currency. Okay, this is currency. This is S amount. This is currency. Okay, to maintain this type of information, this is one field, this is one field. Both we have to give the reference. Okay, reference. For this field, this is reference. Okay, this is we are calling reference. Reference fields. Okay, reference fields. Okay, compulsory you have to maintain currency field for S amount, currency units for the S quantity. Okay, S quantity. To maintain this type of information, okay, that we can use here. Transaction data means if we have the data quantity, amount related, I told you quantity and amount if it is there, that type of data we are calling transaction data. Just only customer name, city, phone number, address data it is there, that is we can call master data. Okay, master data. And condition, if you have any fields in this table, but compulsory customer number, same primary key of this field, same field should have this one. Even this table, first primary key table with master data, same second table also master data also, no issue. Not necessary only compulsory key quantity and units and price related. You can connect it to both two tables master data, two tables transaction data, one table master data, one table transaction data. Vice versa you can create it. Okay, there's no rule for that particular one. You can use it any table to any table you can join, and any table to any table you can link it, and you can fetch the data also. Fetching data is different, that we will work out later. First we are connecting. The connection we are doing, that connection means how to connect from one table. Why we have to connect like this? Why we have to do this foreign key. Means whenever the data in multiple database tables, you can, if you want to fetch the multiple database tables, there should be a condition. That condition we are calling foreign key relationships. If there is no foreign key relationships, you cannot fetch the multiple data. You cannot write the code. Okay, you cannot write the join conditions. You cannot write the inner join conditions. You cannot write the for all entries conditions. These all are there in the this particular scenario. Okay, now same example. Okay, same example. If you have doubt, then I will clarify it. Otherwise, I will implement same two example today. I'm not going to extend today class. Just only two examples I will give. That's it. In tomorrow class, okay, I will give you package creations also. Okay, package creation. So today just I will give the first table, second table, then what is foreign key and what is unit, what is reference key, what is reference table. Today I will discuss this new points. Okay. Here some new points are here. One is foreign key is a new point, and reference table is a new point. Reference key is reference field is new point. These points you will learn in this today. And this is example one for the key related fields. Example one. This is example one. This is example two. Okay, example. Okay, now procedure. Okay, how to create. Okay, how to create. Don't enter wrong password more than 2 times. If you enter wrong password more than 2 times, it will lock. Okay. Now I already attempted 2 times, then I closed, then I tried. Okay. Now this is a front end. Okay, now I am going to create a same step yesterday's concept only. Okay, primary key table with master data. This you knew it how to create with the data element. Okay, I will use it either standard table, either customized data elements. Okay, customized data. Better I can use it a standard table only. It is easy for you also. Otherwise, I can show it a customer. Let me check one by one. Table creation. So table creation for first table, primary table. Okay, primary table. First, go to here, database table. Z, that name I told you. You can give your own naming conventions. Z customer. I think maybe it is existed. I think let me check first displays here. They used this field this name for data element. It is displaying for that. Don't use the same name. Use here one one name gr customer. Okay, gr one naming convention. Okay, one naming convention. And click on okay. Anyhow, it is not there. Anyhow, it is not existed. Now go to create button. This is same as yesterday steps. Same as it is. Okay, last class which we created. This is a description. You can enter customer database table. For primary key. And delivery class is a display maintenance allowed. Okay, display maintenance allowed. These two fields are compulsory. Without these two fields, system won't allow to go to the fields option. Okay, fields option. Here we have to maintain all the fields. I told you how many fields we need here. Customer number is one field. Customer name is one field. City is one field. Phone number is one field. Okay, these all are standard fields. For this compulsory these fields, we have standard data elements also there. If you want to check this type of fields, standard data elements, we have the table name is KNA1 is there. If you want, you can check that KNA1 also, no issue. KNA1, sorry, table S11, KNA1. Okay, see here, customer number is there. They already created. Excuse me. Customer name they created, name, but the field according to them they created. You will create, if you want your own naming conventions, you can use it. But if you observe our KNR means customer number, they created their naming, but we can use data element name. We can use this data element name, country, name, city, postal code, region, region, like that. Separate naming convention, data element you can use it. Otherwise, we have to create it same like last class. I created a procedure wise. The procedure customer number, primary key. I'll show the one more time. Okay. One more time, data elements. Yeah, this is created by somebody. Better I will use my naming convention Z customer number. If Z customer number is not existed, then we can create it. Just double click on data element. Click on S package. Okay. Still we did not create any package. I told you local object. Click on continue. Okay, click on continue. So it is asking, do you want to create the data element? You click on yes. Then you have to maintain clearly short descriptions related. Like we can call customer number, and domain is same as it is domain number. Domain number. Then what is the meaning of domain? To maintain the data type and the length of the field. Now I am going to maintain here domain related information. Double click here, click yes, local object. It will ask, do you want to create the domain? Yes. Yes. Short description. Customer number. This is characteristics and the length is 4. Save and activate. Save. Control S. Control F3. Control F3. Continue. So this is activate. Now it is active. Come back. We have to maintain field label. That is, we can call customer number. Customer number, like that we can maintain. Save, check errors, activate. Save, check and activate. Now all are ready. Data element is ready, and as well as domain already created. Domain also ready. One field is ready for one field. Customer number is ready. Next, custom name. Okay, custom name. This is ZGR custom name. You can, if you want, you can create your own naming conventions. Otherwise, I told you, you can use all the standard naming conventions. Name one. Okay, like this. City you want. A city. Like ORT01. Okay. Like postal code you want. Country you want. You can use it all the standard data elements. You can use it like this. It means even you can create it customized, or you can. Why I created means because you have to see the foreign key. That's why I created a customized data element. If I use standard data element, what will happen? That table related fields it will appear. Standard data element related fields will appear. Then you will confuse. That's why I created separate data element for the customer number. See, after completion of this one, then you can use for the standard also. No problem. Okay, no. Now technical settings. Save it. Continue. Data class. Which data class I have to use here? Same, master data only. Next table we will create the transactional data. Okay, transactional data. Now I can use here APPL0 size. Okay, 4900 maximum size for 0. Save this table. Save this technical settings. Click on back button. Okay, now table is ready. Okay, table is ready. Check the errors. See, if you click here, check errors. Control plus F2, this symbol. Okay, Control plus F2. If you click here, it will show some warnings or information or red color. So red color means last class I have shown you. If you give here any length, wrong length, spaces, then it will show the red color. That is we are calling error checking. Okay, error checking. The name, first name contains a blank. Please re-enter without blank. Now if I remove that one, that is the error rectification. Okay, how to rectify the errors. Now what I will do? I will check the errors now. Okay, I will check the errors. Okay, no errors. Okay, no errors. But only one information. This is information or warning. Warning. It is showing this also. We can avoid this warning also. We can avoid this warning. How to avoid this warning? I am explaining now. Here, you just read it here. Both enhancement category for table is missing. Enhancement category for include is missing. To enhance this table and include, we have to do here one option after back button, extras, one name we have. This is here the same name, enhancement category. Click on enhancement category. Click on continue. Then it is showing different categories. Can be enhanced, cannot be enhanced, can be enhanced with character numeric, can be enhanced with characteristics type. Means if you want to enhance with any data type, either numeric, either quantity, either currency, any data type, you can use deep. Enhancement means what is enhancement? In future, you may enter another database fields also for the same table. Now you are going to create only 4 fields. In future, if you want another 4 fields, then we can enhance it. Whenever you are enhancing, what type of data types you will use? Either all data types, either only character, either only numeric, either character or numeric, we have to select it. But we can use deep enhancement. Deep enhancement means for all types of data types. All data types we can use. That's what I selected here, can be enhanced option. Okay, here if you select the can be enhanced, then we will avoid that warning message. I'll show this one also. Okay, we'll avoid it. Okay, click on copy. Okay, click on copy. Click on save. Okay, click on save. Now check here. I am going to check the errors once again. Check errors. Is there any even okay, no inconsistencies found? Means no errors. Okay, no errors. Now so before we used to get like one message. Now no message, no warning message. Over. Now even rectify that error is solved now. Now I am going to activate now. Okay, going to activate. Active. You click on active. So now transparent table is active. This table is active. Primary data is active. I have to maintain some 2 or 3 records for this table. Go to utilities, table contents. Okay, see it is not created. Why? As here some restrictions are there. Okay, that's we have to change to allowed. Okay, if it is allowed, then we can maintain. Once again, you have to check that error. Okay, any changes you have to check the errors. Then activate. So now it is in active state. Inactive to active has come. Inactive before it was inactive was there. Now it is turned to active after completion of this cracker symbol. Okay, this is we can call active, or directly you can use it control plus F3. Okay, control plus F3. Okay, control plus F3. Okay, activation. Control plus F2 checking errors. Control plus S save. These three we will use frequently. Okay, and back button. Okay, back. Now table is ready. Table is ready. Now we have to create the. Okay, we have to create here some records. Okay, we have to create some records. Go to it is table contents to create entries. Create entry. Then customer number C1. First record here, second record or second record C2. Okay, this is control S. Okay, I created two records. Okay, two records. Now to check these two records, okay, back. I told you two ways. One is directly you can go to the content option. Directly you can go to the content option. Or otherwise you can go to utilities, table content and display option. Okay, display option. Click on display. Okay, click on display. Then you can find out here how many number of entries already there in database. You can see here number of entries which meet the selection criteria is 2. These 2 are there. We created 2 only. I created 2 only. You can execute here. So 2 records are there. C1 record and C2 record. Here some changes if you want to do. Okay, they no need to back once again. They don't need to back. Directly you can do the changes here only. This is create option. This is F6 is change option. F7 is display. Now you have to change to Sri Krishna or Sri, any other name. Okay, just click on change button. Here you can change that. Okay, save it. Okay, save it. See, now it is immediately it will update here. Or if you want to create from this browser only, from this data browser only, you can create it. Create button, C3, any name, so save it. Okay, from here itself, you can create the record. Okay, you can create that. No, I don't want this record. I don't want this record. I have to remove that record. You can select this one. Then table entry. Okay, we have option is the delete all is a delete option. If you select the delete all, what will happen? All the records from database it will be deleted. But if you want to delete only one single record, it is same like delete table. Okay, delete record. Okay, same like delete record. Okay, if you want only one record like where condition, I selected already condition C3. C3 is where condition now. Okay, here if you select this one table entry and the delete option. Okay, delete option. Then we have delete entry. Then it will be deleted from database. Here, delete database record is deleted. Okay, database record is deleted. Then you can click back button. Okay, you can click back button. Now database table is database record, not table. Database table is ready. But if you want to delete the database full database table also, you can delete the database table full total. This table itself you want to delete, you have to do that action here. Table is different, record is different. What I have shown you, only records deletion I have shown you here. The record deletion, you have to delete like this. This is record. See, this is record. All data. Okay, you can select it. But here, if you don't want this table itself in database, okay, you can delete it. You can delete it that option by using this option. Okay, this is another procedure. Okay, this is another procedure. Okay, this table is ready. One table is ready. We can keep it side. Primary key table is ready. Okay, primary key table is ready. Over. Now, any doubt here? Just only one extra step. That's it. Which one? That is enhancement related category error. I solved that's it. In this example, no new point. Same like last class only. Just extras enhancement category. Under that I selected can be enhanced. It can be enhanced deeper. Okay, now over. Okay, now it is over. Second table. Second table I am creating foreign key table. Okay, this is we are calling with the transactional data. With the transaction data. That's why. Okay, this is a new points I am going to introduce here. One is foreign key. First one is second this one quantity and sales and quantity. Sales and quantity. Sales and quantity. Procedure steps. Steps. So go to 1 second. Now this foreign key table. Okay, foreign key table. ZGR sales. ZGR sales. This is a table name. Okay, click on create button. Same procedure, no difference. Okay, same procedure. Here sales details. Sales details in bracket. Foreign key table. Delivery class is here. Display maintenance allowed. Both are same. Save into local object. Okay, save into local object. Then go to fields. Okay, in second table also same procedure. Only fields will be different. Okay, database fields will be different. That creation I am explaining one by one data element I will create it. Then I will show full database table. Okay, all customized data element only I will create it here. Go to fields. For this table, I told you one point. Sales order number. This is the second table primary key. Second table is having one primary key that we have to maintain. Sales order number I will maintain. S number, primary key, initial values. Okay, then Z sale number. Okay. It is not created. Then how to create? Just double click this data element. Click on S. Continue. Do you want to create the data element? Yes. Enter the short description. Sales order number. Domain is not there. We have to use here Z S number. Okay, S number. Double click on this Z S number. Click on S. Continue. Create a domain. Okay, Z sales order number. Okay, sales order number. So data type you can maintain and length also you can maintain for this field. One field is ready. Now domain is ready. Still data element is not ready. Someone activated. Creation same. There's no difference. There's no difference between the first table and second table. Okay, only currency and amount related fields are different. As number 20. The sales order number. Okay, two fields is enough. Okay, two short and medium is enough. Remaining is not necessary. Okay, even if you want, you can maintain, no issue. Okay, data element. First field is ready. Okay, like that, I have to create here sales date, sales quantity, units, all fields we have to use it. Why I am not using standard ones? Because you have to understand the here scenario. Okay, that's why I am creating one by one. Sales date, Z, sales date. Why we have to use here Z here starting letter? Because reusable. Okay, reusable. Create S, continue, create the data element. Okay, sales order date. Okay, domain name ZS date. Okay, double click on ZS date. Click on S. Okay, local object. Create the domain. Okay, sales order date. Save and activate. Save and activate. Okay, active. Come back. Okay, come back. Then go to label. Okay, go to label. Sales rate, quantity, sales date. Same procedure. That's what I'm doing like fast little bit. Okay, the same procedure, data element I am creating. This date and customer number easy. That's why we can create it. But now this quantity is different. Why data type is new data type? I told you data type. Whenever you are using quantity data type, what data type you have to use? Here I did not write. I think QUAN. Okay, QUAN is the data type for the quantity. Unit is for the units. Here we have to understand here data types are different. If you maintain for the quantity characteristics, it won't work for the units. Compulsory we have to use the data types, existing data types only you have to use it. You cannot use your own char or numeric or any other fields. That's why my suggestion is whenever you are creating quantity and amount related fields, compulsory you have to check that the predefined types. Okay, compulsory. S quantity. Okay, Z SQT, sorry, Z SQTY. Then double click here. Then double click here. Click on S. Click on continue. Okay. Do you want to create the data element? Yes. Okay, enter here. Okay, sales quantity. Okay, domain name. Okay, ZS quantity. Okay, double click on this ZS quantity. Okay, click on S. Click on local object. Click on domain. Now you have to observe here difference. Sales quantity. What is the data type I have to use? Okay, here this is quantity. Okay, QUAN. Here if you browse here, there are different data types are there. First you can just go through QUAN, where is QUAN. If you read description for QUAN, you will understand here. This a QUAN is a quantity field. The points to be to a unit field with a format unit. Okay, format with the unit. Compulsory. There is a field should be, another field should be there, format field, that is unit. Unit will be somewhere here. This is here. Unit key for quantity field. These two are okay, connected fields. Now first I am using this one. Enter. Then if I enter here number of characteristics 5 or 6, then automatically decimal places also it will ask here. For these fields only decimal places it will ask. Why decimals we require here? Why decimals? Like 10 kg, 10.600 grams, like example, 10 kg, 600 grams. 600 is nothing but grams. This is we can call decimal places. How many decimal places I have to maintain here? 1, 2, 3 maximum. Okay, that is decimal places will be 999. 999 also 3 digit only. Okay, to maintain this type of decimal places we have to use here. Okay, decimal places is 3 to maximum only, that is okay, no limitation. The maximum compulsory, that is 3 only. Why means quantity field, any field if you take it, this is the last quantity. Okay, any field if you check it. Okay, this is 999 0002 99 means 001 is quantity, means that is a quantity number. 2 999. This all it will be under okay, 3 digit number. 3 digit. That's why I maintain 3. Okay, output length by default it will come 6. There's no need to maintain yourself. The default number, that is for comma related information, it will take it automatically. Comma point. Save and activate. One field is ready. One field, quantity field is ready. Back button. Field label 10. Quantity 20. quantity. That if you want, you can maintain only 2, 3. No issue. Quantity. Activate. Okay, activate. One field is ready. See here for this field, if you observe now, here one option is we have currency and quantity tab, separate tab. Okay. For this field only it will be highlighted. See one box, reference table it is asking, reference field it is asking only for characteristics and numeric it won't ask any fields. Only quantity and only CURR fields it will ask like this. Okay, I'll repeat this step, no problem later. Once again, first just for understanding I have shown you here. Reference table and reference field is for mandatory for quantity and currency related fields. Quantity and currency related fields. Next, sales quantity. Sales quantity. Unit. Z unit. Unit. Nobody is created unit. I am going to create here. Z unit. Click on S. Continue. Data element. This is unit. Domain name is Z unit. Okay. Double click on this unit. Click on S. Local object. Domain. Here unit. Okay, unit. I told you data type will be unit related field. You have to use. You have to choose it. Unit related. How to choose here unit? Unit is already there. Here this unit key for only for quantity purpose. We will use this one. If you click enter, system it will be okay, shown decimal places because unit never be maintained with the decimal places. Okay, so we will maintain here some default length. A default length for unit. Save and activate. Save and activate. Unit is nothing but kg, pound, LB, like those type of information. Okay, information. Save, activate, field label. Okay, only 20 is mandatory. We don't want all the fields. Okay, units. Okay, units. Save and activate. Okay. Save. Now this is also ready. Okay, this is also. Now quantity is ready and unit is ready. Now if I want to maintain quantity related information with the unit, here we have an option is there, currency quantity fields. You can maintain now itself, otherwise after completion of the full table also you can maintain. Now let me create the sales amount also. Okay, yes, amount. Later I will maintain Z amount or S amount, any name. ZSAMT. Create S. Continue. Create the data element. Okay, amount. ZSAMT. Okay, double click on this. Click S. Local object. You want to create the domain. Sales amount. Okay, which data type this is for amount? Okay, so this is sales amount. For this sales amount, so we have to use here separate data type is CURR. For currency key. Okay, we can use here CUKY. This is the data type for the sales amount. Okay, this is the data type for currency. The same way here, this is for quantity, this is for unit. Okay, this is for unit. Two data types. Now I am creating this one. This one means you have to choose here only currency key. If you choose your currency key, you can see here. This is currency field stored as a decimal. Working will use. This is CUKY currency key only for referenced by currency fields. Okay, whenever you use this one compulsory. enter, and enter here some 10 you can enter. Decimal places is your wish. Okay, decimal. Your wish means is like 10 rupees 90 paisa. 10 rupees 90 paisa. The paisa related information if you want to maintain, decimal we read. So maximum how much paisa? 99 paisa. What is the digit? 1, 2. These two digits we have to maintain here decimal places. Decimal places. Save and activate. Okay, decimal places means after the 0.00. Okay, point. For amount quantity 3 digit. For amount that is 2 digit. Okay, for amount 2 digit. Back. Now fill it. The amount, then activate, Okay, then activate. This is ready. See, this is ready. Another field, like same way, I'm going to create a currency. Z currency. All customized data element only. See, this is somebody is created. Better I will create my own. You can understand. CURRES. Click on S. Create a domain. Currency. Domain also same. ZCURRE. Okay, double click. Click on S. Local object. Create the domain. Currency. Data type is UKY. This is. See, I did not enter number of places. Automatically it is displayed here. The number of the field names. The number of fields. You click on activate. Save and activate. Click on continue. Now this is ready. Then back button. Field label. Currency. Active back. Okay, active. Now all the fields are ready. There's 6 fields. Now one more field. So what is the one more field here? Which field we require here? This is over. Okay, only one field. But this field is already we maintained under in primary key. Same naming conventions I can maintain here. Same. Like a customer number which I use there. Same data element I have to use. Okay, same data. GR customer or GR customer. This is the name. The same name. Understood this point? Same field is this field is existed in primary table. Same field I entered. Okay, this is a first point. Save it. Now I have to link here foreign key. First foreign key I will discuss. Next I will go for currency quantity. Okay, now procedure is now we are creating here foreign key table. That is only the main concept is foreign key. Okay, if I want to create that, first example I am explaining foreign key. What is the name of foreign key? To link primary and foreign key, here select this line anywhere you can select it. Select this line and here you have one option is there. Before search help, you have one option is there foreign keys is there. Okay, key symbol with the arrow down. Okay, key symbol. You have to click here foreign key symbol. Click on foreign keys. Then system will ask the tables information. First fill the description, short description. FOREIGN foreign key relation. Then check table. Check table means for which table you are connecting for this table. This is table. Which table is there? The primary key table is check table. Here, what is the primary key table? What is the name we created? Let me check. What is the table name? ZGR customer. This is the table name I think. Okay, yeah, this now I created this. This is we are calling check table now. Check table is nothing but a primary key table. This is a compulsory interview question. What is the meaning of check table? Where you can use this check table? Okay. Okay, primary key table is nothing but a check table to link between primary key table and foreign key tables. We can use this check table option. Check table. Now, after entering check table, click on generate proposal. See here. Now it displayed automatically first table primary key, second table foreign key. Any doubt, Satish? Sorry, Praveen and Amit here?
No.
Okay. Why means here why you have to enter means to link tables compulsory you have to maintain some check table information. Here check table is nothing but your first table, any table, it may be any table. But first table should have the primary key. That's it. Then after generate proposals, it will show here. Then click on copy. Click on copy. Foreign key is created. Okay, foreign key is created. Step 1 is over now. Okay, foreign key is ready. Okay, foreign key is ready. Next, we have to maintain this information, reference related information. Next, new. This is also new today class. New like procedure. For that, you have to go to your currency quantity fields. This is a currency quantity fields. Then, if you check here only quantity and only currency field, it will show white symbol, a white color. The remaining all fields it won't show any white color. Why? Because it is asking a reference table. Reference table means which table you are working. That is we are calling reference. This is only table. Same table is reference table. Now, for quantity, field name is unit. That is the reference field. For currency CUKY, for amount, reference field is currency. This we have to maintain compulsory. Okay. For quantity field type of fields, unit we have to maintain reference is compulsory. For currency, you have to maintain CURR, you have to maintain compulsory currency. That only I have written here. Okay, here. For quantity, unit compulsory. For amount, currency is compulsory. Okay, over. Okay, now these 2 points also new points. Then here I already discussed foreign key also with a new point. Okay, new point. Now, if you have any doubt, you can ask me here. I will guide you. Otherwise, I'll save it. Save it. Now it is saved here. I am going to check the errors. Still not maintained with technical settings. Up to this is clear. Next. Okay. Next step, easy. Then now onwards, it is just only same procedure as same database table. Go to technical settings. Go to technical settings. Tell me here one difference is there. Last class we used to maintain the master data. Now which one we have to maintain here?
Yes, sir.
A transaction data. This is a transaction data. That is only here I have written here. This is a transaction data. A transaction data. Okay, then click on here APPL0. And size category is
Second
must.
transaction.
Okay, size category is ours. Okay, you can maintain any size category. Save it. Save it. Now almost table is ready. Okay, table is ready. If you observe the difference between first table and second, okay, let me activate here. Go to extras. This is the same issue you will get it. That's why I am enhancing here. Click back button. Go to extras. Enhancement category. Click on continue. Can be enhanced deep. Copy. Save it. Check the errors. Now ready. Okay, now.
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yeah, tell me. Ask me.
In real time, do we use this enhancement every time?
Compulsory, you have to use it. Why means here if you won't use here this warning related issues you will get it.
I know.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
To avoid that warnings, we can use this particular enhancement button. Otherwise, if you check the standard tables also, very simple. See, they already maintained for standard tables also. For any table, that enhancement category should be maintained. Let's see.
It is compulsory step.
Extras
That
and
has to be done.
yeah.
Okay.
It was here. They used already. Can be enhanced.
Mhm.
Okay. So that selected category is inconsistent with implicit enhancement category. Implicit enhancement category is means system itself it is giving use this can be enhanced. Okay, deep. Okay, but by default it will be selected not classified. We have to select it. Any table if you check it, the same enhancement category will be preferred. Okay, in implicit. Okay, to avoid inconsistencies. But even if it is there, no issue. That runtime error you won't get it. Okay, runtime error.
Okay.
Now this is ready. This is ready. Now I am going to check here once again with the activate. Save, check and activate. Okay, now table is activated. Table is activated. How to maintain the data? Now you can see here one more difference here. Okay, first difference is today class difference is foreign key I created. Foreign key I created. Then the second difference field is I maintained here reference tables and as well as reference fields. Then third difference is we created here as a data class name is APPL1 and the next one is okay, you will see here final step under final step utilities and table content and create entries. Okay, what is the main difference here? See, here we have the customer number also we have customer number also. If you check like say sales number we don't have any help. Customer number we have one box type of help we got it. Okay, box type. If you browse here, that whatever primary key table fields we maintained C1 and C2, that it will come automatically. Why? Because of check table. Okay, because of check table. Okay, means you have to maintain only these customers. If you maintain new customer, it won't allow. Let's see. S1 sales date. Why date it has come like this? I think I did not use date field properly. I think. Okay, anything.
You manually entered.
Okay, manually entered. No. Date field is wrong. I think. Some length I entered. Oh.
Character.
Correct. That's why it is giving that one. I thought name. Okay, this is wrong actually. DATS, DATS, enter. Okay, that's it. See here now I am going to change the modifications. Now you can see here dependent structure already adjusted. Change the data type, length of the decimals, independent database can be conversion. Now it is going to convert. We are going to this. This is adjustment. Okay, database itself adjustment. Now I have to reactivate the data element. Okay, now it is date sensor. Now I'll reactivate once again table. Then I'll go to the utilities, table contents, create entries. Yeah, this is correct. S1 01 19. Okay, sorry, 2021. Quantity is 10 quantity, 10 kg, 1000 rupees INR. See, if I enter S4 or S1, it won't allow. You can observe now. Why?
Because of the foreign key relation.
Because this
The
is
data should be available in the previous table also.
previous table. Exactly. The data should be available in the first table. Then only it will allow. Okay. A C4 also I can enter. No problem. It won't allow because C4 should be exist. But yes, C1 is existed. Now if I enter, it will show message. Database record is successfully created. Because this is existed. Now I'll create another record S2. Then same data 100 kgs, 1000 rupees. This is C2. This C2. Okay, like that. I can create here another record, but same C2. Okay, another record, same S3. I can maintain the C2 customer itself. Okay, C2 customers. Like that we can maintain. Okay, name format will be the wrong. Which one? That is enter too long. Which one that is? Format. Then save it. Okay, save it. Back. See now I created 3 records. Let me go to table content, display, okay, execute here. See, third record, second record is not created. I think. Let me create once again. Second record, S2. Either C1, C2. Anything you can use. Click on save. Now second record also is created. But you can see you can sort out like this, sorting the records. C1 customer data separately, C2 customer data separately. Okay, you can sort like from this sorting. This is ascending order and descending order. Okay, descending order. Okay, this is the way to connect. Means now if I want to see this customer name information, I can select my this customer number. If I click here check table, only I can view the only customer C1 data. Yes, here check table, if I see only C1 data. If I select the second table, second key, sorry, C2, only that second data I can see, second data. Okay, this is the linking between primary key and foreign key, but this is just only we created two connections, that how to use it, that is next class, that is we can call view. Okay, database view. Now three tables we created up to now. Okay, three tables. One is without data element, that is just only for your understanding purpose only I explained. Okay, last class I created a data element, I think, correct? Oh yeah, data element I created, and today also another two tables I created with the data element only. Total four tables we created up to now. The first table not required, from second and the today class only we required here. Okay, now how to use these two tables? Okay, what is the meaning of view? Okay, tomorrow class I will discuss. Okay, tomorrow class. That concept name we can call views. Okay, views. But here this procedure is top to bottom, is bottom to down is another procedure is there, that is very easy. I will discuss that is another concept. Better I'll go for flow first. Okay, this flow views, data types like that. Tomorrow class I am going to start with the views. Okay, views. Okay, what is the some important points are there under views also. So let me discuss. Let me start tomorrow class. This point. Okay. Any doubt, Praveen, Amit?
No doubts.
No.
Okay. This like join tomorrow you will see. Okay, this join tomorrow you will see. Okay, how to connect this customer number, and how to connect this customer number, and how to display this 4 plus 6. This customer number not required. 4 plus 6 fields. Total 10 fields you can display in one table. Okay, 10 fields you can display in one table. That concept we are calling, okay, database view. Okay, database means how to connect first table 4 fields, how to connect the second table all fields. Okay, all fields. Okay, all fields. You can use database view. Okay, database view. That tomorrow we will work out. Okay, tomorrow.